The Toyota Corolla has built its reputation on reliability and practicality for decades. But what if Toyota transformed the Corolla into a futuristic sports sedan that looks straight out of 2035? Based on these incredible concept images, we're looking at a vision of the 2027 Toyota Corolla that combines sleek aerodynamics, premium technology, and a bold performance-inspired design. Let's dive into every detail of this stunning future Corolla. The first thing that grabs your attention is the ultra-clean front fascia. Instead of a traditional grille, the car features a smooth aerodynamic nose, highlighted by a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the entire front end. At the center sits an illuminated Toyota emblem, giving the vehicle a premium and futuristic appearance. The slim headlights blend seamlessly into the light strip, while the vertical LED elements positioned on both corners add a sporty and aggressive character. A deep lower air intake and gloss black front splitter make the car appear wider and lower to the ground, creating a performance-oriented stance unlike any Corolla before it. Moving to the side, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. This concept adopts a sleek, fastback silhouette with a flowing roofline that extends smoothly into the rear deck. The low-slung proportions make the vehicle look more like a luxury grand tourer than a compact sedan. The body sides are remarkably clean, featuring flush door handles and sculpted character lines that improve both aerodynamics and visual appeal. Large black multi-spoke wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, while aggressive side skirts and black lower trim add a sporty touch. Combined with the dark panoramic-style roof, the Corolla gains a sophisticated and premium look. At the rear, Toyota continues the futuristic theme. A full-width LED taillight bar mirrors the front lighting design, creating a strong visual identity day or night. The illuminated Toyota badge sits proudly in the center, while the Corolla lettering emphasizes the model's heritage. The rear bumper features an aggressive, diffuser-inspired design finished in gloss black, giving the vehicle a high-performance appearance. Vertical LED elements on both corners help visually widen the rear end, while the integrated spoiler and fastback profile create a sleek, aerodynamic finish. Inside, the cabin looks significantly more premium than today's Corolla. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, dominated by a large widescreen infotainment display that stretches across the center section. The screen appears to control navigation, media, vehicle settings, and connectivity functions. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster with modern graphics and real-time driving information. One of the most striking details is the ambient blue lighting running across the dashboard and door panels, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The white and black two-tone seats enhance the luxury feel, while soft-touch materials and metallic accents elevate the cabin beyond the traditional compact car segment. The center console remains uncluttered, featuring a compact electronic shifter and modern controls that reinforce the futuristic design philosophy. Toyota has not released official specifications for this concept, but its futuristic design suggests advanced electrification. A next-generation hybrid powertrain would be the most likely option, delivering improved efficiency and stronger performance than current Corolla models. There's also a possibility that Toyota could introduce a fully electric version inspired by this design. If that happens, power outputs between 250 and 350 horsepower would make this Corolla a serious competitor in the sports sedan segment. Advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, and next-generation connectivity would likely come standard. If Toyota develops a production version inspired by this concept, pricing could start around $30,000 for hybrid models. Higher performance hybrid or fully electric variants could range between $40,000 and $50,000, depending on battery size and technology. While Toyota has not officially announced this vehicle, many of its design elements could influence future Corolla generations arriving later this decade. The 2027 Toyota Corolla Concept proves that the future of Toyota's best-selling sedan could be far more exciting than anyone expected. With its sleek fastback profile, futuristic lighting, premium digital interior, and potential electrified powertrain, this concept offers a glimpse at what the next evolution of Corolla could become. Would you like to see Toyota build a Corolla that looks this aggressive and futuristic? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future car reveals and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.